a home in a charming town with a friendly community that offers a ton of local amenities, I want you to consider Cottonport.
But you also love the idea of being mere minutes from the vibrant city of Nashville, where you'll enjoy the excitement of music, dining, and entertainment at your fingertips? Then our newest listing in Brentwood, Tennessee is perfect for you.
Brentwood is known for its excellent amenities, including a variety of local shops and restaurants. You can spend your weekends exploring the boutique stores or dining at some of the finest eateries in the area.
And for family fun, the Brentwood Splash Pad is a perfect spot to cool off on a hot summer day. Nearby, Granny White Park offers lush green spaces, playgrounds, and sports facilities, ideal for outdoor activities and family picnics. River Park is another local gym featuring beautiful walking trails along the river, perfect for a morning jog or a leisurely stroll.
Commuting is a breeze with the access to I-65 connecting you to Nashville and beyond. Whether you're headed to work or exploring the greater Nashville area, the convenience of this location is unbeatable.
Step inside this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home. Featuring spacious living areas, updated finishes, and a cozy atmosphere, it's perfect for family living and entertaining.
The fully fenced, flat backyard is ideal for outdoor activities, gardening, or simply relaxing in your private oasis. Imagine hosting summer barbecues or enjoying a quiet evening under the stars.
Inside, the floor plan seamlessly connects the living room, dining area, and kitchen, making it perfect for gatherings. The kitchen is ready for you to add your personal touches to make it perfect for your family needs. Each bedroom offers a comfortable retreat with the master suite featuring an ensuite bathroom with amazing finishes for added luxury.
As a resident of Cottonport Plantation, you'll enjoy exclusive access to the community pool, perfect for relaxing and socializing during the warm months. The neighborhood also features scenic walking trails ideal for morning jogs or evening strolls, and a dedicated dog walking area, making it a pet-friendly environment for all family members. Experience the best of Brentwood living in Cottonport Plantation. This home is not just a home, but it offers a lifestyle to cherish. Your perfect home awaits.
If you'd like to schedule a private showing, send us a direct message and we'd be happy to show you this beautiful home.